Okay, today we're going to be unboxing the Carnival 50th Anniversary Birthday Special Edition Monopoly. I've got the wrapping slightly open so that we can make it a little easy to remove here. Alright, and then we'll open the box and set that aside. We have the rules, of course. We have a board. Take a better look at that in a minute. We have our tokens. We have, let's see what tokens we have here. We have a cruise ship. We have Freddy Funnel, or Funnel Freddy. We have a funnel. We have a cow animal mascot, the elephant, to be specific, the one that you take pictures with generally in the around the ship. We have a duck because Carnival is now on board with the cruise ducks. And then we have another ship. Different ship than the other one, a smaller boat. And then let's see. Here are the cruise director announcement cards. And over here we have money. The Carnival logo on the money. And then over here are standard houses and hotels on the dice. Let's take a deeper look at the board now. We have 4 sections here. Your free parking, the arcade, your cruise director announcement, Waterworks, Cloud9 Spa, Mardi Gras, the Heroes Tribute Lounge, Chibang, room service, bonsai sushi, go to jail, Gigi's Asian Kitchen, Cucina del Capitano, Funnel Chest, Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse, the Carnival Celebration, cruise director announcement cards, the Sky Course, Airport Tax, Bolt Ultimate Sea Coaster, collect your salary as you pay plus go, Lido Marketplace, Funnel Chest, Java Blue Cafe, Port Tax, Carnival Jubilee, will be on that just next year, Pixels Gallery, Carnival Cruise Director announcement card, Cherry on Top Fun Shops, and Jail, Carnival Adventures, Onboard Wi-Fi, Camp Ocean, Seafood Shack, and Carnival Panorama, Piano Lounge, Funnel Chest, Blue Iguana, Red Frog, and free parking. So that appears to be the long and short of it. Otherwise, it's standard Monopoly with probably some differences within the cruise director announcement cards. Let's take a look at those real quick. Okay, here are the cruise director announcement cards. Advance to Bolt. Take a trip to Carnival Jubilee. Win first place in a trivia competition. Collect 150. Cloud9 Spa. Utilities. Generally going to be obviously the standard Monopoly card with stateroom. You have a surprise gift for your stateroom. So it seems they have several fun cruise themed cards and whatnot. But that is it. I just wanted to show you what the new Carnival 50th edition Monopoly looked like.